Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and just before I start today's video, I just want to make you all aware of the trading signal service that we provide here. If you would like to receive trading signals from either myself or the rest of the team here at Daily Market Movements, then you can do so simply by visiting our website at www.dailymarketmovements.com. What I'm going to do is leave the website link below this video in the description, so if you are interested in joining our amazing team, then all you have to simply do is scroll down now, click on our website link, which will then take you to the website itself, and then that's where you'll see that we charge a very small fee of $249 for a year's membership, so it really is great value for money. However, in front of me is the gold over the US dollar chart, and as you can see today, we've had an extremely volatile day trading. Earlier on in the morning during the Asian session, we did drop as low as a 50-day EMA, which was at that 1862 area. I said this in yesterday's video that we could potentially fall to a 1900 level. That was my target. That's what this black line represents, and we got there. But I said that we could also potentially go to the 50-day EMA, and as you can see, just perfect technical trading here. We touched the 50-day EMA, and since then we have exploded. We have absolutely rocketed towards the upside. I did open a buy position at 1900. I sent out a buy signal at 1910 for my signal team. Why? That's because that was the previous high back in 2012, which was at 1920 to 1900. So I did think that would offer some sort of support. We did breach it just to touch the 50-day EMA, and then since then we have climbed back above the support, and we are now currently trading in profit at 1945. If we close around this price today, that would then tell me that this is a very bullish signal, because that would have meant that this candlestick for this day of trading is a hammer, which is a bullish candlestick, and then that would potentially send this gold market back up towards the $2,000 level and back up to my longer term target of 2,100. Remember, I'm still very bullish on gold. Any big dips like this are to be bought. I've been warning for the previous 3 weeks, saying that guys, gold was due a massive pullback, and that was because we were at 90 on the RSI, which basically said that we were considered to be extremely overbought in the short term. I had a lot of people saying, no Max, you're wrong, gold's going to go to 2,500. I had some people commenting saying it's going to go to 4,000. Yes, potentially, but you cannot ignore the technicals when it comes to trading, and the RSI was telling us that short term it was overbought, and as you can see, we've had this beautiful pullback. And I can tell you right now, so many retail traders, so many new traders would have had their accounts blown. I'm sure there's a lot of you watching this video right now thinking, yep, that's one of me. Don't worry, it's perfectly fine. It's all about learning. And I did say, do not jump in because of FOMO. A lot of traders would have had the fear of missing out of this beautiful rally, but I said you're going to get another chance, and that will be on the big pullback, and that's exactly what's happened here. And now is your second chance. Anywhere around 1900 should be bought, targeting towards 2000 or even 2100. So my shorter term target now, very simple. My first take profit is at 2000. Let me just get a black line. There we go. So I'm going to draw a green line here, which is my first take profit, which is at 2000, and my longer term end of the year target is 2100, all the way up here. So if we do form this hammer candlestick that we have currently formed throughout the day, then I do expect us over the next week or so to grind slowly back towards 2000, and then once we achieve that, we will eventually go back towards 2100. Due to the fact we are now no longer considered to be overbought on the RSI, we are very healthy, in fact. So it was a needed pullback, but pullbacks, you shouldn't be worried about them. They are healthy for the markets, and now this should help us now continue our rally towards the upside and go even further. I love gold market right now. Interest rates around the globe are near 0%, and we're going to be staying there for the next 3, 4, 5 years, potentially even longer. There's some rates might go negative. I'm a buyer on gold. I really do like